Yo, welcome back to the Hotshot Haven, man. Another day, another dollar. Hey, this episode right here, another reason why I hate all bad accidents. Boy, it looked like yesterday was a bad day on everybody on accidents. But one thing, the difference between getting caught slipping and being prepared is a really big difference out here on the road, man. You always want to keep spare parts. Like I said, get your tool game up, baby. One thing about it, man, ain't no such thing as getting caught slipping. When stuff happening, you ready. Hey, y'all already know the 1 hour consultation be lit. Check us out on IG, Nova Enterprise LLC. 1 hour consultation via Cash Out, $JBUTLER 357. Leave your number in the 4 line. I'll promptly get back in touch with you, man. We making moves and we changing lives out here. And don't forget to subscribe. Man, I'm trucking like I'm trapping. Alright, you guys, if you were following along, man, you know I had this load right here coming up. We had trucks doing the flip all the way up here, man. Had another one I tried to play Super Haven and get out and try and help these people, man. Flipped over in front of me again, another set of people, and got the driver, make sure they were straight and wasn't no potential for fire or nothing, man. And I proceeded to go a little further and went to sleep, woke up the next morning, did a pre-trip. Hey, went over, did a video with you guys after driving a while and got that truck off there. Then I proceeded to go ahead and drive, you know, almost to Yakima, but halfway, almost to Boise. So we looking at, you know, Oklahoma, Oregon, and Idaho coming up. And then about 30 miles from the drop, man, I noticed smoke in my side view mirror. I pulled over immediately because I was like, that's an axle bearing. So I get out and assess the problem. Y'all know I my tool game on deck. So, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it really wasn't no thing. But, you know, big shout out for having tools, man. And you're going to see that over the course of this video, things gonna speed up. But, man, I'm not out of the game. This is real. Hey, never forget to save your back out here, man, because that's one of the worst injuries you could come up on out here and be by yourself a few thousand miles from home. You ain't gonna have no good week getting back to the house. So protect your back, roll that tire up your leg. That tire weighs about 85 pounds on the rim, and you want to protect your back. So brace that tire up against your shin muscle, roll it up your leg. That's a pro tip right there. Hey, man, you see how that drawing the bag off and that brake shoe showing? It get real. Watch this. I'm just gonna show you how. That tire was gonna come off, you think? I ain't have to unbolt anything. That's coming off. Zip tie that mag back on. I got the ass chained up like a player should. And we can get out of here. I say it again, a hater wish I would have a bad day. The type of stuff that hang you up, I carry anyway. There go the old racer right there. Y'all slapping old new barns on old razor. There go the old razor right there. They out of there. And get what? I'm even carrying the part clean. I got 2 cans. Which one you want? Brand new seal, national seal, triple seal, not that bull, not that bull. That real deal. And that's what I'm told. Had it sacked up. I got another set in there too. Wait a minute. Man, I hate to say what. Hey man, a lot of time it ain't about what happened out here. It's about how you handle it and how fast you can handle it. Hey man, grand total time wasn't number about an hour, maybe an hour, 15 minutes from start to finish. I wasn't late on the load, ain't nothing went slacking. And guess what? We handled it like a player supposed to handle it, man. A whole lot of high class pimping going on. I ain't had to call nobody, go see no parts store, nothing converted from oil to grease. And get what? You know it is what it is, baby. I'm trucking like I'm trapping.